This video is how to replace the AC compressor belt. Yeah, I think it's called the stretch belts because they don't have a pulley or adjuster or a tensioner. So you have to stretch the belt in order to put it on. Here's the forward part number. It comes with the belt, zip tight, and the instructions. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the original belt, the serpentine belt with the tensioner, and then I'll show you to remove it. I honestly don't know how, but whenever you're replacing the AC compressor belt, before you guys, there you go. Whenever you're replacing the AC compressor belt, whenever you're removing the AC compressor belt, always recommend your customer to replace it, so you can avoid any problems along the way down the road, because it stretches every time you take it off or you put it back in there. It's gonna stretch more. And honestly, I don't know how to remove this one, the procedure to remove it, so I'm just gonna cut it off. I'm going to cut it off, and I'll show you how to put the new one back on. Okay, so according to the manufacturer, you have to pull the belt behind the harmonic balancer like this, and over the AC compressor, and you have to put the zip tight just like it shows on this picture, but you have to make sure that it sits properly on that pulley, and you're just gonna turn it clockwise until the belt sits completely. So the zip starts over here and has to end up over here. See, sitting properly on the back, just like I have it here with that. And then, like I say, just make sure you're sitting properly over your AC compressor pulley, and then it's time just to spin it and make sure it goes in properly behind the harmonic balancer, like the picture, the zip tight. Okay, so just double check that your belt sitting properly on the AC compressor pulley, and let's do this. Got the wrong socket size. 18mm socket. Start. Go. There we go. Solder in. So the belt is now, hold on. So the belt is now properly installed. Just don't forget to cut off the zip tight, and cut it off with pliers, so you won't damage by accident the belt. And pull your serpentine, the dry belt, the normal one, and you get back on the road.